This is an Arizona's Family News Update.
Good morning, everyone. I'm Tess Raffles. Here are the latest stories we're following from the Arizona's Family Newsroom. Governor Doug Ducey issuing a new executive order to help expand and speed up COVID-19 vaccines here in Arizona. The order requires the state health department to take over vaccine distribution instead of leaving it up to the individual counties. So far, about 57,000 doses of the vaccine have been administered to Arizona's frontline healthcare workers. But even though only about 20% of frontline workers have gotten the shot, and most of their appointments to get the vaccine at least have been scheduled. There's also a lot of confusion about what phase are we in right now. The state wants to make sure the right people are getting the first doses, and that, well, takes time. So we're still in phase 1A. Dr. CARA from the Arizona Department of Health Services says there's a demand right now, obviously, for the vaccine. And now residents and medical workers at skilled nursing facilities have access to the shot as well.
I think that you'll start to see it speed up, and especially with the long-term care partnership starting this week, that will significantly increase the numbers as well.
Dr. Chris says her department does vaccinations all the time, but not vaccinations for the entire population. And there's also some confusion over people in phase 1B and when they can get vaccinated. That phase hasn't started yet, and the department will have more information on that phase in the coming weeks. Meanwhile, the Navajo County health director has been indicted on theft and fraud charges. A state audit finds Jeffrey Lee used a Coconino County card to buy more than $82,000 worth of gift cards and then spent them on his family's cell phone services, a clothes dryer, items for his personal outfitting business, and electronics. He's now facing 16 counts of theft, misuse of public money, and fraud.
How about a high of 61 today? We'll have clouds overhead, but we'll stay dry. Stepping into the new year, temperatures up a little bit. 64 for Friday and Saturday, and we'll be hanging in the upper 60s stepping into the first week of 2021.
Looks pretty perfect. Thank you, Ian. For updates on more stories we're following, you can download our app and subscribe to our YouTube and Roku channels. I'm Tess Raffles. Have a great last day of 2020.